in what you can say probably isn't a surprise since Monster Energy basically funds the whole sport. There they are, the Monster Energy Triumph, whatever you want to call it, Triumph Racing Team. And I have to say, it looks pretty good. Personally, I'm surprised that, like, with that kind of plastic color and everything, that it's not Full Throttle or Rockstar or whatever. But Monster Energy, like I said, they, sponsor everything. All the teams, basically, a good portion of the riders, and, well, the bike doesn't look bad. This is apparently only for, or supposedly, as I'm reading this, or the news release for it, this is for Moto 2. So this is for mxgp, but I'm assuming if Monster's going to be sponsoring them for that, they're probably going to be sponsoring them for everything else. There's a bunch of different quotes I'm going to put on the screen here, and here in the future. You can read if you want from Monster Energy two-wheel motorsports director, from Monster Energy Triumph racing owner, and also from Triumph chief product officer. But you can read those at your own discretion if you want to pause and read. But I think it looks pretty cool. Hopefully see what happens with, if this comes out and it's the same color scheme or same whatever branding for supercross and motocross over here. But comments below, you tell me. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you wish somebody else had sponsored them? Are you sick of Monster Energy sponsoring everything? Or whatever it is. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.